Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel Padhai with Guru Chela. Today we are diving into something super important for all the political science students out there, especially those who are getting ready to start their fifth semester. That's right. We are going through the complete course structure for semester 5th of the BA Honors Political Science program based on the National Education Policy 2020. Dear students, whether you are planning your semester or just curious about what's coming next, I have got you covered. So, let's jump right in. Alright, my dear students, now that we have the latest core course structure based on National Education Policy 2020 for BA Honors Political Science program. So, dear students, let's start. And first of all, let's talk about the core courses, also known as Discipline Specific Core DSC courses. In semester 5th, you will be studying 3 essential subjects. These are compulsory for all students pursuing political science. So, let's talk about Discipline Specific Core Course 13, Western Political Philosophy 1. This course will take you through the foundational ideas of Western political thought. It's like getting to know the roots of the political systems we see today. The next, DSC 14, which is Modern Indian Political Thought. So, dear students, we have modern Indian political thought where you will explore the political ideologies that have shaped modern India. Think of it as understanding the minds behind India's political landscape. The next, Discipline Specific Core Course 15, which is Political Processes in India. So, dear students, finally, there is a political process in India. This is where you will get into the 90-gritty of how politics actually works in India, from elections to policy making. So, dear students, these subjects are compulsory to all the students of political science program. Then next category is discipline specific elective, and means DSC. So, dear students, now let's talk about electives. This is where things get interesting because you get to choose subjects based on your interest. For political science, the DSC offered is International Political Economy. Dear students, sound heavy, right? But trust me, it is incredibly important if you are looking to understand the global political and economic landscape. The next category is generic elective. So, dear students, in addition to your core and elective courses, you can choose a generic elective, which is GE, or even a DSC from other disciplines. Here is a quick rundown of your options, which are in commerce, ethics and governance, or fundamentals of HRM. In English, literature and human rights. In economics, money and banking. In history, 20th century world history, 1900 1945. In mathematics, numerical methods. In BMS, dynamics of startups. And BBA, fundamentals of financial management. Or DSC, BMS, marketing, retail management. HRM, training and management development. In finance, security analysis and portfolio management. In global business management, international expansion strategies. In BBA, international financial architecture. In commerce, organizational democracy and industrial relations. In English, literature and human rights. In economics, advanced econometrics. In history, prehistory and pro-history of India. These are the discipline specific elective courses. So, dear students, whether you are interested in economics, literature, or even startup culture, there is a something here for everyone. So, next category is IAPC or SEC. Dear students, last but not least, let's look at the IAPC, which means interdisciplinary ability and professional capacity, and SEC means skill enhancement courses options. These are designed to give you some extra skills that can be super useful both academically and professionally. So reads of the list with brief explanations. So commerce, finance for everyone. In English, communication in everyday life. In Hindi, Rangmanch. In education, communication in professional life. In SEC committee, personality development and communication. In English, business communication. In computer science, basic IT tools. In management, digital marketing. And in the last, computer science, social media marketing. So, dear students, remember you can pick these based on your career goals and interest. So, choose wisely. So, that's a wrap on the semester 5th course structure for BA Honors Political Science program. With so many interesting courses to choose from, this semester is going to be packed with knowledge and opportunities. Dear students, make sure to plan ahead and pick the electives that align with your future goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more academic content. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next video soon.